Hey sis, come here. We need to talk. I know you've been through this toxic relationship, and today I wrote you a letter in hopes that it will help you find clarity in what you've been searching for. And hopefully it does help you heal in the process. But for right now, I just want you to sit back, plug in your headphones, and listen and visualize what you've been going through. And hopefully this gives you the clarity you need to make decisions that you need to make that you've been ignoring. All right? Today's letter is about a man who hurts you but doesn't help you heal. All right? So sit back and listen. A man who hurts you but doesn't help you heal is the type of man who wanted your love without respecting your heart. And that's the part that's really messing with you, because I know what it feels like. Not just the hurt, but the confusion after the hurt. Because you're sitting there replaying everything inside your head, asking yourself, did I overreact? Did I ask for too much? Or was I really just tripping? And the whole time, you're not even asking for perfection. You're not asking him to be a superhero. You're asking for the bare minimum. The one thing a man should be able to provide by default, especially when he loves and cares for you as he claims. Because when you're hurting, you don't need a speech. You need presence. You need compassion, empathy, acknowledgement. You need a man who understands your pain so that he can correct his actions so that you heal from that pain. And you see, a lot of women can forgive a mistake. But what breaks a lot of loyal women is when the person who caused the pain acts like your healing is now your responsibility, because now you're not just healing from what happened. You're healing from the way he looked at you as if you were doing too much. You're healing from the way he got irritated when you needed reassurance. You're healing from the way he went quiet when it was time to take accountability. You're healing from the way he tried to move forward without ever making it right. And that's why it stayed so long in your chest. That's why you started feeling anxious. That's why you started feeling numb. That's why you started feeling like you had to earn basic respect. Because the damage didn't just come from what he did. It came from the fact that he didn't care enough to repair it. And the harsh truth is, a man who hurts you and doesn't help you heal is a man who cares more about his comfort than your heart. Because if he cared, you wouldn't have to beg him to understand. If he cared, he wouldn't rush your healing like it's an inconvenience. If he cared, he wouldn't get defensive every time you bring up the pain that he caused. If he cared, he wouldn't act like time passing is the same as taking accountability. You see, some men think saying, "my bad," is enough. No, but a loyal woman doesn't need just an apology. She needs safety. She needs consistency. She needs to feel like if she's honest about what hurt her, she won't be punished for it. But with him, every time you try to talk about it, you end up feeling guilty for even having feelings. And that's not love. That's emotional neglect. You're in survival mode in that relationship. That's a man who wants forgiveness without the responsibility of making that change. And sis, that's why you changed. That's why you don't love the same anymore. That's why you don't trust the same anymore. That's why your guard went up, even when you didn't want it to. Because something in you finally realized that you can't keep being soft with somebody who keeps being careless with you. And see, the crazy part is, you probably stayed longer than you should have. Not because you were desperate, not because you were weak, but because you were loyal. You saw his potential. You saw his good moments. You saw the man that he could be. And you kept trying to love that man into becoming him. But listen to me, sis. You should never have to bleed in silence just to prove your worth being treated right. A real man doesn't just love you when it's easy. A real man shows up when he's the reason it got hard. That's accountability. So if you've been blaming yourself for changing, stop. You didn't become cold. You became aware. You didn't lose your heart. You protected it. You didn't do too much. You just got tired of being the only one doing anything at all. And if he hurt you, but didn't help you heal, that wasn't love, sis. That was damage. And you don't owe damage your loyalty. Sis, I hope this letter helps you heal. You deserve the love that you've been giving this whole time, alright? So until the next letter, stay blessed. Much love. Peace.